take your spring clip off. Just want to get a flathead screwdriver, pull this out, and it'd be easier if I had a pliers to hold on to it, because now I gotta go fish it out. But just pull it, and it just pops off like that. So once you get it apart, it's gonna look something like this. So this is the older style that uses one O-ring, but the newer style uses 2 O-rings, and the end connector is white, unlike this one. So the new, your O-ring, where it's going to be sitting is going to be sitting right there in that little groove. Just take a little screwdriver and pry it out. It should come out. The old one is probably flattened out after a while, which is causing it to leak. Do not put your new O-ring right there where like I did. I thought that's where it went. It's not, and it still leaked coolant afterwards because that's not the right spot. So once you get your new O-ring in, you're going to want to put the spring clip back on, and you're just going to want to stick it back on until you hear the click, and there you go, it's locked in. After it's all locked into place, I would start it up and let it run, get it the operating temperature, see if you got any leaks, and then I would refill what coolant you lost with the orange Motorcraft coolant.